Let us go for another problem on pattern generation. So here is the problem for us. So generate the following pattern for a user given number of layers. So if user gives the layer number as 5 from the keyboard as input, then the pattern will be generated like this. So here we have put dots only to indicate that how many blank spaces will be there. So these dots can be replaced by the blank spaces accordingly. So here this pattern has to be generated. So at this moment you have got the assignment, you can pause the video, you can write the respective code, and we are having the practical demonstration on this pattern implementation in C language next. You can watch that demonstration also.
Here the given pattern is like this. For n is equal to 5, we have drawn this pattern, and again here replacing blank spaces we have put dots so that I can easily count the number of dots there. So here this I will be ranging from 1 to n, that is 1 to 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. From this particular diagram, I've just written the number of blanks and starred in the respective layer number. So in the first layer, we are having 9 stars, but there will be 0 number of blanks. In the second layer, I'll be having only 1 blank, but 7 stars are there. In this way, 2, 5, 3, 3, and 4, 1, we wrote in this particular tracing table. Now I am supposed to find out the logic. So how to find out the logic? Here you see I is increasing, blank space is also increasing. I is increasing by 1, number of blank spaces, it is also increasing by 1. So the logic will be very simple, and the logic is I minus 1. Why? Because 1 minus 1 is 0, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 means 2, 4 minus 1 means 3, and 5 minus 1 means 4. So in this way we are having this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you go on doing minus 1 with each one of them, it will become 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So the blank space we have the logic, that is I minus 1. What about the logic for the star? So here you see I is increasing but the star is decreasing. That means this I must be subtracted from some fixed quantity, so that when the value of I will be increasing, the difference value will be decreasing. And that difference value must be multiplied by 2, so that when the I will be increasing by 1, the star will be decreasing by 2. So let me go for one experiment. What is 5 minus 1? That is 4. What is 2 into 4? That is 8. Plus 1, that is 9. So I am getting a clue. Let me test it for the rest. 5 minus 2, that is 3. 3 into 2, that is 6. Plus 1, 7. 5 minus 3, 2. 2 into 2, 4. Plus 1, 5. Going for the last one. 5 minus 5, 0. Into 2, 0. Plus 1, 1. So the logic should be to start n minus I plus 1. So after getting this logic, program writing has become very much easy process for me. So now you see I have taken input from the keyboard, the number of layers, printing the pattern, and then I am writing the number of layers. The layer number will be ranging from 1 to n. For each and every layer, I am supposed to print certain number of blank characters, then certain number of asterisk symbols, and then one continuity break. So what is the logic for blank printing? The logic for blank printing is I minus 1. What is the logic for start printing? The logic for start printing is to start I minus 1 plus 1. And in this way, the blank spaces will be printed, the star will be printed, and there will be a continuity break using printf /n. So now let me execute my program. So here the pattern was for n is equal to 5. So now my output screen has come. I'm putting the 5 here. Yes, my pattern is getting printed. So let me test it with say 12. So I'm testing it with the value 12 now, and I'm getting the required output on the screen with a solid triangle filled up with this asterisk symbol and some blank spaces beforehand, filling up with the dots. So let me replace this dot with the blank space. Don't forget to give a blank space there. So now you see, if I execute the same, if I put the value say 21, so pattern will get printed accordingly. So the pattern will get printed accordingly. So accordingly you see the pattern has got printed. So my program is working fine. Always test your program with multiple values for n, because you might have written some wrong logic. So that's why if you put multiple values for n and for all the values, if you get the right pattern, that means your logic is okay. So in this way, try to get confidence while drawing such patterns, and varieties of such patterns might be coming in your exam. So have a confidence, draw the tracing table, do the practice at your home, and leave your comments, leave your issues. If you are having any kind of doubts, if you require any further clarification, leave your comments in the comment block and we'll be giving you the support. Thanks for watching this video.